and it's like a stamp size, Mataji.
Stamp size. Okay, okay. I'll ask my husband to do that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mataji. Very nice.
The printer wasn't supporting, but my husband somehow, like, Prabhuji fixed it, and then I could do it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Even I have to try something like that only for Vrinda, so that they will memorize easily seeing the pictures.
And Mataji,
This
I
is
just
their favorite. Yeah, yeah. I saw this picture. Yes, I saw this picture on WhatsApp. Yeah, Patram Pushpam they have written, right?
I just wrote it, and then I wrote it with a pencil, and then he just pasted, like, trace it on top of
Okay,
it.
tracing. Okay, very nice, Mataji. And we did this one in the summer camp. If you all remember, in the beginning of the summer camp, we did the first day of the summer camp. I think so. First week of the summer camp. Patram Pushpam only we did, and we made the craft also. Right, Anjana Mataji taught us.
Okay. Because we middle of the session, Mataji. That's why
Okay, you were in the middle of the session, but we learned this sloka, and then we also did some craft related to this one. Anjana Mataji taught us. This is very beautiful, Mataji. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Thank you. Hare Krishna, kids. I see Subhadra. I see Manmay Krishna, Mahadav, Mayuk, Ayansh, Tanvik. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Let's start the class. It's 5:30. Okay, it's 5:30. Okay, let's do with Mangalacharan. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरन्मितन्येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः नम ॐ विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद Let's all together chant Hare Krishna, okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ball. Thank you, kids, for singing very nicely. Thank you so much. Okay. Now I request everybody to be on mute.
Hare Krishna,
please be on mute.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Who is that? Subhadra? Please sing Hare Krishna to me. Okay. Welcome everybody to the call. Please be on mute.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. I'm sorry that I was late. I was playing outside.
Okay. Welcome to the call, okay?
Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Janavi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Janavi, welcome to the call. Hare Krishna kids, welcome to the call. Okay. Now let's start the story. Last week, Indu Mataji was telling about the story of the Shamantaka jewel, right? What happened, how, what happened, the story you all remember. Let's see little bit of background of the story, what happened on Wednesday in our class, what Indu Mataji taught us. So there was a king named Satrajit. So what happened to that king? The king was a very nice devotee of a sun god. So sun god gifted him this jewel, Shamantaka jewel. So when he wore that jewel, he was looking as like a sun god itself. So when he was going in the, he was living nearby Dwaraka. So then when he was traveling in the Dwaraka city, everybody in the city was thinking, oh, this is sun god came, sun god. But Krishna said, no, this is not a sun god. He's a devotee of the sun god. He is a king. His name is Satrajit, like that. And then when he came to Dwaraka, Krishna asked, do you want to give it to King Ugrasena? Then he said, no, I don't. He don't want to give it. He want to show off with that jewel. He want to show to everybody that I got it, sun god gave me, and it is very very auspicious. Wherever that jewel is there, nobody will become sick, no problem of food, anything. It produces so much of gold also. So like this happened. And then what happened? So he was trying to show off to everybody. One day his brother, Satrajit brother, Prasena, was wearing this jewel, and he wanted to show up, and he went to forest by riding the horse. What happened that time? The lion has attacked his brother, and lion killed the Prasena and also the horse. Both of them was died. And then this Shatratis was thinking that, oh, my brother did not came back. That means Krishna only killed, because Krishna wanted this jewel. He started spreading like this kind of bad rumors to everybody. And actually what happened after the lion killed Prasena and also the horse, what happened? A lion took the jewel and went into the cave, to his cave. Then what happened? The king of Gorilla, who is that Jambavan, came to know this, and then Jambavan killed lion and took the jewel. And but Jambavan does not have any attachment to the these kind of diamond and anything. He was just leaving everything, and he gave his son to play. You can see in this picture, he gave it to son to play. And then after this, what happened? Krishna came. Krishna wanted to, like everybody, like Shatrajit was spreading bad rumors on Krishna, that Krishna took like this. So Krishna wanted to prove that everybody that what had happened. So Krishna came in the search of this Prasena and also the horse. And then when they came like that, they came to the cave where this lion was there. And then after that they saw that lion also was killed by, they could see the nails prints of the bear, and then they could understand. Oh, then they finally went to the gorilla cave where the gorilla is living. That gorilla is Jambavan, who is living. So then when they went there near the cave, that is a story now we are seeing. Okay, so when they went to the cave, it was very dark. All the people who came from Dwaraka in the search of this jewel and everything, so then they all stopped there. No, we cannot enter, it is very dark. No, nobody entered there. Only Krishna went inside. After going inside, he saw that the Jambavan's son was playing with the jewel, and then then immediately the servants heard that somebody was disturbing the kid, and then immediately Jambavan came very angry and started fighting with Krishna, and Krishna also fighting with Jambavan. Like this fight went for 28 days. It was very long fight between both of them, and they were fighting day and night. But Jambavan could understand that I am so powerful. Somebody can beat me like this very badly. My body is so wounded. Everything is paining. How can this possible? So then he could understand he is none other than Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, whom I worshipped as a Ramachandra. Like that, Jambavan could remember that Jambavan is nothing but Hanuman. So then he was able to recollect everything that, okay, I worshipped him. He is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. Then immediately he bowed down in front of the Krishna and says, please forgive me, Krishna. When Krishna puts his hand on Jambavan's head, Krishna puts his hand on Jambavan's head, what happens, you know, whatever the wound pains were there for Jambavan, everything like a magic, it will go away. Everything. Jambavan becomes normal. And then he says, Jambavan says, please forgive me, Krishna, for all the mistake. And then Krishna explains why he came over there. Then he explains that like this Shatrajit was spreading all the bad rumors about this, that jewel that I have taken. Then Jambavan says, oh, I am so sorry, Krishna, please take this jewel. He will say that. And also Krishna says that as you killed the king of the lion, now you are the king of the forest. The lion king, Jambavan has killed, right? So then Krishna is saying, now because you killed the king, so now you are the king of the forest. Like that Krishna says. And then what happens? So then Krishna, then Jambavan says, please take this jewel and also marry my daughter Jambavati. So Jambavan gives a jewel along with jewel. He gives Jambavati to Krishna to get married. So then Krishna marries in that cave only Jambavati. And after that, he comes back. People who are staying near the cave, they said that I don't want to enter the cave. I am very scared, right? People will just go away within 12 days. They will just go away after 12 days. After 12 days, what they do? Oh, no, we cannot wait here for long days. What happened to Krishna? We don't know. Let's go back and we will pray for Krishna. Like that, they will just go away from there. And then now everybody in Dwaraka were, oh, what happened to Krishna? What happened to Krishna? Like that. They were very sad about it. And then suddenly Krishna heard their prayers. And then Krishna came and Krishna said everybody what had happened. And also everybody in Dwaraka celebrated Krishna's and also Jambavati's marriage very grandly, very, very grandly. And what happened then when Krishna came and gave the jewel back, Shatrajit was very ashamed. He was feeling so sad. He realized his mistake and he could feel that, oh, I'm so bad, how I did big mistake. I was telling about Krishna like this. How can I do like this? Then what happens is like then Krishna, he wants to somehow make his mistake correct. So then he says that he will go back and he thinks what I have to do, please Krishna. Then he comes back with the jewel and also his daughter Satyabhama to give in marriage with Krishna. Like that. So then what happens? Krishna and Satyabhama's marriage will happen in Dwaraka. Everybody will enjoy. And Shatrajit says, please take this jewel with you only. But Krishna says, take this back. I don't want any jewel. Please put it in a temple where it was before, so that everybody can feel good in Dwaraka. They will not have any heat or cold, any problem of sickness, hunger, or anything like that. So this is a whole story of Shamantaka jewel. So very simple questions. I hope you all remember. How many days did Krishna and Jambavan fight? How many days?
20 days.
20
Okay, who is Krishna?
Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Okay, when Krishna plays his hands on Jambawan's body. What happened to Jambawan?
All Jambawan's wounds got better.
He got better. Good, Manmai.
Yeah, we became better.
Yes. Who made up all the stories on Krishna? Who made up all that stories? Like Krishna took away jewel and everything? Satyajit. Yes. After how many days all the citizens who were waiting outside the cave went away? 12 days. Very good. Okay. One simple and funny question. I just wantedly put it because everybody's schools have started. Vrunda is doing everyday math work, so I thought, something fun I want to put. Okay, 28 minus 12. 28 days, whole days Krishna and Jambavan was fighting. 12 days, people went left away, right? Rest, how many days were there? Anybody answer? Pranav, please tell me. 16 days. So 16 days Krishna was inside the cave. Yeah, extra 16 days, right?
16 days.
Yeah, 16 days. All the people in outside who were waiting, they went back to Dwaraka and they were praying to Krishna. Oh Krishna, when you are gonna come? When you are gonna come? Like that, right? Yeah, very nice. Thank you, kids, for participating in nicely answering all the questions. Thank you for attentively hearing. Let's move to the sloka and the rhyme part. Sarojanandini Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, kids. So today we are going to learn Hare Krishna. Today we're going to learn Brahma Samhita sloka. Hare Krishna. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, so please repeat after me. Hare Krishna to everyone. Okay, so please repeat after me. Bhaswan. Yatashma. Shakaleshu. Nijeshu tejaha. Bhaswan yatashma. Sakaleshu. Nijeshu tejaha. Viyam. Kiyat. Prakatayatyapi. Tadvadatra. Viyam kiyat. Prakatayatyapi. Tadvadatra. Okay, let's do it again. We are only learning 2 lines today, so please repeat again the first line. Bhashvan yatashma sakaleshu. Nijeshu tejaha. Viyam kiyat. Prakatayatyapi tadvadatra. Viyam kiyat. Prakatayatyapi tadvadatra. Bhaswan yatashma sakaleshu. Nijeshu tejaha. Okay, let's do it again. Ashwan yatashma shakaleshu.
Paswan yatasma sakaleshu
Nijeshu tejaha.
nijeshu tejaha
Viyam kiyat prakata.
sviyam kiyat
Yatyapi tadvadatra.
tasya api tatra.
Okay, so let's do the translation. Please repeat the translation after me. I adore
I adore
the primeval Lord Govinda,
the primeval Lord Govinda,
from whom
from whom
the separated subjective portion
the separated subjective portions
Brahma receives his power for the regulation of the mundane world. Just as the sun manifests some portion of his own light in all the effulgent gems that bear the names of Suryakanta, etc. So this is an example that is given where it is explained that just as the sun is there, the sun is very effulgent and it's very illuminous, which means that it has a lot of light. And it manifests its effulgence through the gems that bear the names of Suryakanta, and different names are there for different gems. So these gems, it manifests a portion of the effulgence of the sun. So similarly, Brahma, who has come from Lord Govinda, he receives his power for regulation of the mundane world, which means that Brahma created the whole world and he has created all the living beings. So, and he's also doing the job of creation every time. Whenever the universe is created, he does the job of creation. So, from whom does Brahma get his power? Who is the Supreme Lord? Lord Govinda, yes. So that's what is explained in the shloka. Just like how the gems get the effulgence or the power from the sun, similarly, Brahma also gets the power of creation from Lord Govinda or Krishna. Okay? It's as simple as that. So this is a shloka explaining about how Brahma has got the power from the Supreme Lord. Okay, so let's move to the rhyme now. We'll complete the rest of the shloka tomorrow. So right now we'll go to the rhyme. Please repeat after me. This is a rhyme about Hiranyakashipu, Narsimha Avatara. Okay? So please repeat. Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who's that
With wonderful claws and a very loud roar.
with wonderful call and very loud roar?
Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who is
Fighting
fighting Hiranyakashipu.
Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj?
Who came
To save Prahalad
Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj?
Who
Who came to save Prahalad?
Narasimhadev, Hari Hari Bol.
Nrsimhadev, Hari Hari Bol.
Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa. Jai Jagadisha Hare.
Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Let's do it one more time for everybody to get the tune again. Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who's that
Fighting
Hiranyakashipu?
With wonderful claws and a very loud roar.
With
with
one
wonderful clouds and very loud roar.
Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj?
Who came to save
Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj?
Who came
to save
Narasimhadev, Hari Hari Bol.
Nrsimhadev?
Hari Hari Bol.
Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa. Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jaya
Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha.
Thank you so much, kids. You all sang so beautifully. Let's move to the break room so we can all sing and hear all the kids sing.
Yeah, Mataji, I think it started moving. Yeah, Mataji, we can start. Kids moved already.
Okay. Okay, so kids who want to sing the rhyme and do the
Piece of Sloka, Mataji, please.
shloka once more?
Yes, Mataji, please.
Okay, sure. Okay, so let's do the first two lines. That's what we are focusing today. So please repeat. Bhaswanyatashmashakaleshu
Aswanyamshasakalesu
nijeshu tejaha
nijeshu tejaha
swiyam kiyat prakata
prakata
yatyapi tadvadatra yatyapi tadvadatra.
Yatyapi tatvatatra.
Okay, so who wants to try? Please raise your hands so I can see who has raised and I can call out your names. Okay, Tanvik. Tanvik wants to recite.
I want to say the rhyme. Who is that fighting with Hiranyakashipu? with a wonderful class and very loud roar. Who is that fighting? Who came to save Prahalad Maharaja? Who came to save Prahalad Maharaja? Who? Narasimhade Hare Hare Bol, Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare. I want to say the sloka. Baba
Bhaswan
Bhaswan
Yatasma
Yatasma
Sakaleshu
Sakalesh
Nijeshu Tejaha
Nijeshu Teja
Swiyam Kiyat
Sriyam Kiyat
Prakata
Prakata
Yadyapi
Yattapi
Tadvadatra
Tattadatra Brahma.
Everything.
I want to say that one.
Okay.
Brahma.
So, you want to recite or you can do that tomorrow, Tanvik. You will learn the next 2 lines. Okay, so thank you so much for reciting so well. Let's move to other kids.
Can I try Subhadra?
Yes, Shubhadra, please go ahead.
Bhashvan Yatashma Sakale Shunije Nije Shute Jaha Swajam Kiyat Prakayate Api Tavat Atara Brahma Yashesha Jagata Nanaventa Karta Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami.
Thank you, Shubhadra.
Fighting Hiranyakashipu with one claws and a very loud roar. Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narasimhadev Hare Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadish Jai Jagadish Hare Hare Krishna.
Very nice recitation of shloka and very beautiful singing, Shubhadra and Giridhari together. Thank you so much.
Mataji Balavrinda.
Yes, Balavrinda, go ahead.
I know the one. I don't know the sloka, so I'm going to say it.
Okay, yeah, sure, go ahead.
Who's that fighting Hiranyaksha?
Hiranyakashipu
With a long,
with a
wonderful claws and two
very loud roar.
roll.
Who
Who's that fighting
Hiranyakashipu came
Who came to save the
Prahlad Maharaj. Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj?
Narsingha Hari Hari Bol Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Prahlad Maharaj ki jai, Narsingha ki jai.
Thank you, Vrinda. Beautiful singing and expression. Okay, let's move on to other kids. Who wants to sing the rhyme or recite the shloka? Pranav, yes, go ahead.
Mataji, I can say the rhyme.
Okay.
Who's out fighting Hiranyakashipu with wonderful claws and a very loud roar? Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narasimhadev Hari Hari Bol Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Thank you, Pranav. Very beautiful singing. Anybody else?
Thank you, Mataji.
I see some other kids also on the video. Who wants to try? Should I call out names? Mayuk, do you want to try? I see you're trying to recite something. Do you want to try singing? Yes, please go ahead, Mayuk.
Who's the fighting Hiranyaksha?
Hiranyakashipu
Hiranyakashipu.
with a
Oh.
wonderful claws
With a wonderful cause.
and very loud roar.
Be the Lord. Who's the fighting Hiranyaksha?
Hiranyakashipu
Hiranyakashipu. Who came to keep?
save
Who came to save?
Prahalad Maharaj
Prahalad Maharaj. Who came
to save
to save Prahalad Maharaj?
Narasimha Deva
Narasimha Deva. Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadita.
Narahari Rupa
Hari Rupa Keshava.
Devadati.
Jai Jagadish Hare. Jai Jagadish Hare. Jai Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mayuk. Very beautiful singing. Who else wants to sing? Okay, Raghav, go ahead. Hiranyakashipu.
Who came
To save
Prahalad Maharaj?
who came to save
Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj? Astinare Hari Hari Bol Keshavadita.
Narahari.
Hari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare.
So cute.
Hare.
Thank you, Raghav. That was so nice.
Raghav.
Okay, who else wants to sing? Okay, Prahlad, go ahead.
Who is that fighting with Hiranyakashipu? With wonderful claws and very loud. Who's it fighting with Hiranyakashipu? Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahalad Maharaj? Narasimha Dev, Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadrita, Hara Hari Rupa, Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Thank you, Prahlad. Okay, anybody else before we conclude? Okay. We'll wait for our other friends to join back, and then we can say the Vaishnava prayers for conclusion. Did everybody get a chance to say?
Yes, Mataji. I guess everything.
Tanvik is drinking water.
Mataji, the other kids also should be back soon, Mataji. We closed the break room.
I think some participants have reduced numbers.
From the beginning, they have reduced, but now they are joining, I think, Mataji, because
Yes, Mataji, they are joining. I can still see there are 6 kids in the break room.
Tanvik.
Okay, so I see other participants joining back. So I think we can conclude. We can go to the Vaishnava prayers. Mataji, you can move slide to the next one.
Vinita Mataji. Mataji, we can conclude. Vancha kalpata roop.
Okay. We can conclude with Vaishnava prayers. Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Jai.